Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show step by step how you can easily open a live account and how you can start trading with IC Markets. But before we start, there are two things. The first thing that I would definitely recommend using a demo account first. Master it, play around with it, learn with it, and then jump to the live account so you're not going to lose money. And then this is the first thing. The second thing, that if you want to use and create an account, I would recommend going with the link down below in the description, because I'm like affiliated with IC Markets. And if they're gonna have like any promotion, what kind of bonus probably they would have, you would get it with the link. So maybe when you're watching this video, they are not going to have any bonus, but you could support this channel and also myself too with it. So here I'm going to click start trading on the official website. And what you need to do first is to add country of residence, first name, last name. So I'll go Marek, and email address. So I'll add it right here, and then phone number. And when you have it, you're gonna press next here. Now tell us more about yourself. So you're gonna choose the account type, if it's a joint account, or individual or corporate account. So most of you will probably use an individual account, not a joint one. And then you would simply add here the month and date of birth and address. Okay, right here. And then you can click here, I was referred by the introducing broker, and you would add the ID that you're gonna find also in the description. So if you're gonna use it, I would recommend doing that. You can support this channel that way. And then you would press next here. Then you're gonna have the trading account configuration, and you can choose a trading platform. So you can have a MetaTrader 5, 4, or CTrader. I'm using MetaTrader 5, so I choose MetaTrader 5, and I'm going to show you also how you can, like if we're gonna get login, how we can log in. Then you're gonna choose account type, if it's going to be a rough spread account or standard account. And you can always like have meaning here. Is it suited for experienced traders who wants to ultra or stable spreads? It stands in contrast to other market accounts which provides a fixed commission. So if you're an experienced trader, you can go also with a rough spread. The standard account is only recommended for beginner traders looking for the simplicity of having brokerage added within the spreads. So again, you can choose it. It's based up to you. If you're more experienced, you can go with a rough spread, and you can do that. So now when you're gonna have it and open live account here, you can also choose the select account based currency. And then when you have it, press next here. And now, what's your first best name? My first pet name was named Claire. I love the dog. Declaration, I have read and agree, and then press next. So we choose a security question, and then you would move on. And here we are. So here you need to verify your account, and I'm going to show on the left side what you can find. So employment status, I'm employed. Investment amount 20 to 50K. Intended purpose or nature of transactions. For me, it's speculative. And then what is annual income? I'm at the mark of 100K to 250K. And net worth is around here. Then you would press next here. No, you're not going to help me. So then when you have it, you can have the trading knowledge and experience. I have experience. What is your trading? Intermediate derivative products are suitable as a part of investments. Okay. And okay. So you're going to answer these questions that you're going to have here. And then you would press submit. So then you can like upload documents here, government photo ID and proof of residence. And you can simply choose here, complete later, fund now. And you're gonna have the deposit here, right? So you're gonna have the Skrill, broker transfer, checkout with the Visa, and currency applied. So this is like really straightforward and really simple how we can deposit. Then if in the future, if you want to withdraw, you're gonna have option to withdraw here. method and trade and how much you would like to withdraw. So that's something you can do, and that's how simple you can do it. So then you're going to click also on accounts here, and you're going to have the temporary account right here, right? Or demo account. So you can simply click on your accounts here and you need to deposit. So, and when you're going to have it, I'm going to show you how you can easily log in. Because like I had a demo account, and I'm going to show you on the demo account how you can do it. So here I'm going to have MetaTrader 5, account time standard, leverage 1 to 100, initial 25k, and proceed. Okay. And you will get to your email the demo account access. So if you're gonna like find your account, etc., then you will get the login, so you can actually trade. And here, when you're gonna have the accounts, you can also open a demo account. And now I'm going to have demo trading account login details. So I'm going to show you how you can easily open it. I will go with, first, go to MetaTrader, probably MetaTrader 4 I was learning, or MetaTrader 5. So it's also similar on both, I guess. Top left file, then open account here. Then you're gonna write IC markets here. And it's going to automatically find all the companies. And you're gonna choose it based on the server. So if you're gonna like copy the server here and you would paste it right here, it'll automatically find you the one that you need. Then you would press simply next here and then connect with existing trade account. So I would add a login, which is the like this, and password, and then finish. And voila, here we are. So right now I can simply go and see the hedge here. So I can have Euro USD. And you can always go like this. And you would add it right here and choose the demo. Now, and I'm going to add login. I think I didn't change it to demo. And finish. And here we are. So right now you see that, let's say I have the Euro USD here, and I can click on it and I can easily have a volume. And then stop loss. Let's say we would have a stop loss right here and take profit at 1. And then I can buy by market. And then I can press OK. So this is how you can easily buy Euro USD, buy volume, price, stop loss, and you're always going to find the profit right here. And right now it's going down. So you're always going to find the balance here and equity and everything. So this is how you can easily open your live account, guys. I definitely recommend choosing the using the link down below in the description if this video was helpful. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.